Good morning, student of class 5th. Today we will study chapter number 2 of English literature, a letter from a father to his daughter. Yesterday the chapter was already introduced. So on the page number 24, second para we have to start today. Okay? Second para. Okay, and everyone you understand that this letter has written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. To whom? To his daughter Indira Gandhi. Indira. Okay, now here check what he said. You know, sweetheart, how I dislike sermonizing and doling out good advice, and I have always thought that the best way to find out what is right and what is not right, what should be done and what should not be done, is not giving a sermon, but by talking and discussing about it. Out of the discussion, sometimes a little bit of truth comes out. I have liked my talks with you, and you have discussed many things. But the world is wide, and beyond our world lie other wonderful and mysterious worlds. None of us need ever be bored or imagine that we have learnt everything worth learning and become very wise. Now, explanation, try to understand. You know, sweetheart, how I dislike. Now, this time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, you know that he has written a letter. In the letter, what he has described in second para, he said, "My dear daughter, Indira, you know that how what I dislike and what I like. I dislike sermonizing, means giving a long talk to anyone or other things, and dispensing any. But I am thinking to give good advice, and the best way I was thinking that what is right and what is not right, we have to understand. And what should be done and what should not be done is not giving a sermon. Means suppose that what to be done and what should not to be done. So it is not a good advice. Means we have to be very practical. We have to just think about. Then we are going to do anything. So I don't think that talking and discussing about it. He said, I don't think that talking and discussing more detail. Out of the discussion, I want that what? More discussion, only truth comes out. And I just liked different types of things to talk, to discuss, and after that, the truth, universal truth comes out from that. And the whole word also, mysterious word is there, wonderful word is there. There are different types of things, different types of peoples are there, and you cannot be bored. You just enjoy, just take interest, and you will be quite wise. And what you will learn, it's a very useful in your life, and you will be how? You will be very wise one day if you will follow it. But third para, but what am I to do then? A letter can hardly take the place of talk. At best, it is a one-sided affair. Imagine that I have made a suggestion to you to think over as if we really were having a talk. But now, in third para, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, explain that what can I do? I can do nothing because this time you are far away from here. I am just writing this letter to talk about, and the best way what to one side affair means you have to understand what he said, means what I am saying you have to understand, and I have already given you some suggestion to do, to think over, means first you have to think anything to do. Okay, and we are having a talk, no problem is there. Now next, last para of page number 24. In history, we read of we read of the great periods in the life of nation of great men and women. Do you remember how fascinated you were? And when you first read the story of Joan of Arc, and how your ambition was to be something like her. Ordinary men and women are not usually heroic. They think of their bread and butter, of their children, of their household worries, and the other like. But a times comes when a whole lot of people become interested in a great cause. Then history helps even simple and ordinary men and women to become heroes. And great leaders have something in them which inspire a whole lot of people and makes them to do great deeds. In India, a great leader full of love for all who suffer and is always eager to help them has inspired our people to great action and noble cause. Maybe next page. Now, in history, we read of the great periods in the life of nation. Now, after that, in the next para, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has written that in history we know that everything that there are the life history of the great men and women. Can you remember it? Do you remember it? How they are affecting us, the life of great men. And you have already read the story of Joan of Arc and how your ambition was to be something like her. Are you motivated with your question? Are you motivated? Are you inspired with the story of her or not? And later he said, ordinary means common men and people, women are there. They are not usually heroic. They are not usually heroic, but common man, ordinary person, they are only talking about. They were only thinking about what? They are only thinking about their bread and butter. And but times comes when a whole lot of people enters in a great cart. But later there will be a time come, and then the whole people, a lot of people will have a great interest in the great cause, and then the history help them. Ordinary people, ordinary men and women, they will suffer, and after suffering they are inspiring, and the whole a lot of people who inspire them of to do their great deeds, means great cause, great work. And after the people, that person, ordinary person that was inspired by something, and he is now going to do great work. And after in India, you know that there are more great leaders are there. They are loving, and they have who suffer and always eager to help them, who has already suffered and suffering also, and they are ready to help everyone. And that actually motivated people always think to do great actions and noble sacrifice. So here, to do great actions, great work, like Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, etc. There are more persons are there, okay, and noble sacrifice who can contribute for anything, for the nation, for the country. That we have to understand. We have to follow it. Okay. So up to page number 24 completed. Page number 25 tomorrow, means Monday on. Okay. Thanks.